Well, if the boot fits.
Say it. No. Say that again.
Can I put my hat on?
Yeah.
Okay. Say that again.
If the boot fits.
Okay, cowboy. Did you have to go?
Yes, it did.
The Jesse and Woody fight scene from Toy Story 2. Done by Selena and Uncle Bob. Yeah! Give me 5. Give me a hug.